This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test.
The National State Government of California has issued a terminator warning for the following counties: Altadena, Los Angeles, and Pasadena. Until further notice, the Terminator is coming to your house right now. If you see him, dial 911, or just call him. Please be careful or watch out. Please get out of your house, or a public building, or he will kill you. Please get a shotgun, or loud music, and that will make his eardrums blow up, and burn him with gasoline, or a cigarette lighter, and don't let
Let him find you.